We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
Good evening. I am a representative of the President. The President has put martial law into place and all residents of the United States are advised to seek a fallout shelter now. 10 nuclear power plants have suffered earthquakes which have caused them to melt down and explode in the next 30 minutes. These explosions will spread nuclear materials and fallout into the air. These materials are deadly if inhaled or consumed. Make sure you gather 2 to 3 weeks of supplies of food, water, medical supplies, and clothing. Make sure you bring a battery-powered radio with you should TV broadcasts fail, as radio broadcasts will be kept on for this period. The President is being evacuated and will address the nation shortly. All plane flights during this period will be suspended. Do not pick up your children from schools or elderly relatives from nursing homes, as these places will have their own evacuation plans. If you cannot get to a shelter, go to the central and most durable part of your home where there are no doors or windows. Make sure you cover all places where fallout or nuclear materials will be able to enter your home. This message will repeat in 1 minute. Make sure you tune into local media outlets for more information.
This is a statement from the United States Geological Survey. The previous broadcast about earthquakes was a lie. We have not recorded any earthquakes near any power plant. We have begun a conversation with the President of the United States and he has confirmed that no emergency broadcast was authorized. An official statement from the United States government will be broadcast soon. At this time we have this message from the government themselves: return to your homes. A government broadcast will be aired soon detailing what has happened. However, any form of rioting will be dealt with strongly. Police have been stationed because there is fear of public outcry due to this situation and what has been caused.
This is a statement from the United States government and me, the President. We would like to apologize for the recent broadcast which caused mass panic. An emergency broadcast was put out which was unauthorized and done to cause mass panic. Upon further inspection we saw that this was done by a group of online hackers which are currently being investigated and will be found and charged. There will be tighter restrictions around emergency broadcasts and more security to prevent false broadcasts.